Today we got a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of the video is Teen Borrows Mom's Car and Ruins His Life in Minutes.
Male driver.
When a car flies recklessly past a fully marked sheriff's office vehicle, the deputy quickly turns around to initiate a traffic stop. But things spiral out of control when the driver refuses to stop, leading to a dangerous chase that will uncover unexpected information about a teen.
So, what in the world is going on with you? Why didn't you just pull over?
Around 8:40 p.m. on Sunday, September 1st, 2024, a deputy with the Dunn County Sheriff's Office was patrolling a highway in Menominee, Wisconsin, when suddenly a car flew past him doing 85 in a 55-mile-per-hour zone. The deputy immediately turned around to initiate a traffic stop for speeding, but little did he know he was about to be pulled into a dangerous chase that would uncover a series of crimes far worse than a simple speeding violation.
They on his tail. Oh, he pulled over. Okay.
25 and D.
Oh,
David.
never mind.
Adam Henry Charles 5936. County 1080. Northbound 25, 110 miles an hour. Reasons for stop was 85 to 55. Try to get a reach around that 28.
10-4, at 28, Adam Henry Charles 5936 returns to
Passing 880 Ave, speeds at 170. Do I have any cars north toward Wheeler? Stand by, he's sideways in the road right now. He's going to be
117 is crazy.
While the pursuit continued, the deputy ran the license plate through dispatch and learned it was registered to an elderly woman. When he later observed that the driver appeared to be a 17-year-old male, it was unclear whether the car was stolen or connected to another offense.
male driver. Came at me head on. Turned on 920 Avenue now, northbound. No male occupant, not the RO. Can you have a PD officer try to make contact with the RO and see who might have the vehicle?
You gotta be careful with them back roads. They be having deers and all that stuff over there, man. I hate driving back roads.
Still northbound, speeds at 60. Be turning into 510th Street. So northbound on 510 Street now. Passing 920 Avenue, still northbound 510th Street, speeds at 90. No traffic. Coming up on 970 Avenue. 970 Avenue, we're still northbound on 510th Street. Anybody in Wheeler? Gonna signal left. Gonna signal westbound on 970th Street. He's making the turn. Westbound 970th Street. 970th Avenue. Westbound 970 Avenue from 510th Street.
328, just going up to Jake's right now. 31, 32 right now, 25928.
No morning cars by Boyceville.
Negative. 10-4, that's information. My partner contacted State Patrol.
10-4, northbound 30th Street, I believe. Coming toward Highway 170. Wheeler, coming down Highway 25. 25
Got them together. Got him together, boy. Stupid. Don't move. He'll do it to you, boy. That's a fact. I will do it to you, boy.
Call him out.
Ooh, that boy got the AK.
From the outside.
What's it?
Roll
The
your
AR?
window-
I'm calling him out. Middle of the intersection.
Roll your window down and open the door from the outside. Open the door.
It look like he got a scope on that
Step out.
mug. He will do it to you,
Step
boy.
out of the car. You're not going anywhere. Your car is fine. You know,
64 O'Clair, they got the vehicle
away.
stopped at 1 at gunpoint.
keep your hands up. Walk back to
back
us.
here.
10-4-6-2-4.
Walk in.
Vehicle has
Keep
1 at
walking.
gunpoint.
Keep
Vehicle stopped.
walking. Stop. Put on your knees. Do not move.
Hands behind your back.
One detained.
One detained.
Your car unlocked. Back here, this car.
I wonder what they're going to discover. They said they're going to discover something.
I shouldn't.
You have ID on you anywhere? No ID? How old are you?
17 years old.
Made a poor choice today, huh?
Yeah, I'm screwed.
Why don't you have a seat in there? So you do have the right to remain silent, I understand.
It's
So you're doing 85, 90 miles an hour up 25. That's why I was trying to stop you in the first place. So what in the world is going on with you? Why didn't you just pull over?
I have no idea. I took my mom's car. Like, she was just going to take a shower and I took her car.
Did your mom know that you took the car? Does she have permission to take the car? She doesn't allow you to drive her vehicle, I'm guessing, without a license?
No, she doesn't.
While the vehicle was not listed as stolen, deputies proceeded with the investigation and observed other potential offenses.
Have you been drinking it at all tonight?
No, I just really don't feel good.
Use any drugs?
No, I haven't. I actually didn't even smoke that weed that I had in my pocket. And I haven't for like 5 days. I've been trying to get better. And
You got weed in the car?
there should be a pipe, but it's not smoked out of or anything.
You haven't smoked today at all?
No, I'm dead serious.
When's the last time you smoked?
Probably. I took gummies last night.
Gummies?
But I haven't smoked at all.
Nothing else?
I promise you, I haven't taken anything.
Open your mouth, stick your tongue out all the way. All right, sit tight. We'll come chat with you here in a minute, okay? There should be a pipe and some weed in there. Check that just in case. This is the weed that you had, just a little bit. And then this is the pipe. And then the vape is something else.
That's just nicotine, I swear.
Is it? You haven't smoked since yesterday?
I promise you.
Or rather than just getting a citation for not driving or driving without a license and speed, you turn it into a felony, and now your car's not probably going to be drivable. It's getting towed. Okay. Can't pry it out of there.
Trying, but I don't want to frickin' pop your tire.
So based on the driving behaviors and the weed and pipe that you had in the car, I'm going to just run you through some field sobriety tests here to make sure that you're safe to be operating a vehicle tonight. Are you injured at all? Have you used any substances today? No. You seem just kind of, your responses are kind of just slow and relaxed compared to somebody who just ran from the police. You'd think you'd be a little more amped up, and you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm just more disappointed. For the third time, I got, like, my mom in trouble for my actions.
Well, I agree. She probably would have much rather had you come home with a couple tickets. She would have had to come pick you up because you can't drive, but she would have probably rather you done that and been mad at you than today's outcome. So, good thing you didn't hurt anyone on the highway going pretty fast through Wheeler, so that's why I decided to do the pit and take you off the road, because you're driving like that, you're going to hurt or kill somebody. So just focus on the very tip of my finger. I'm going to go around a couple times. I'm going to come in, okay? So just keep watching the very tip. You see it still? Okay, and then just follow it in as far as you can. You're basically going to imagine imagine a passage of 30 seconds in your head. Okay, so I'm going to tell you when to start, and you're going to tell me when you think 30 seconds is up. Right now. How long was that? So we're going to walk a straight line now. So come over here. When I tell you to begin from that position, what you're going to do is walk 9 heel-to-toe steps. Okay, go ahead and do that.
1, 2, 3, 9.
Okay, and then just relax. This next test is called the one-leg stand. Okay, either foot of your choice. Go ahead and begin. A little higher though, about a pop can under your foot. So there you go. You can restart if you'd like. Okay, you can stop. Is there something wrong with your back?
Yeah, it's my spine. I don't know what. Seriously, I don't know what's wrong.
Do you have a medical problem?
Could be. I don't know. I haven't been to the doctor in a long time.
Is this something that's been going on for a while?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ever since I got into my first accident on my dirt bike.
Okay, so one last test. It's a finger to nose test. Very simple. Stand with your feet together like this. If I say right, you take the tip of your right finger out, bring it in, and touch the very tip of your finger to the very tip of your nose. Left.
I'm sorry, but ain't no way. There's nothing else going on. It's just that he ran because he took his mom's truck without permission. That's the only reason that he ran. I'm thinking maybe he had a body in the trunk or something else happened. Like, this guy, man, this is so stupid.
Right. How do you think you performed on these tests?
Crappy because I'm tired.
Yeah. When's the last time you slept?
Actually, I've been sleeping the last 4 days on the couch.
4 days straight?
Pretty much off and on, but my back, it's every time I get up and it just brings me right back to the couch.
Okay. So I've been evaluating drivers on the road for many years, about 20 to be exact. All right, I'm a drug recognition expert with the state, so I've done a lot of drug influence tests on people, so I know when people have used and when they haven't used. So your body is exhibiting signs and symptoms of cannabis use, whether that's recreation or whether that's Delta 9 or Delta 8 or whatever it might be. I know I already asked you, but I'm just going to ask you again. When is the last time that you used?
The last time I physically took anything into my system that I know of was yesterday night at 7 o'clock.
7 p.m.?
p.m.
And what was that? Those gummies you were talking about?
I'm being dead serious with you.
Despite failing the test, the teen still insisted he was not intoxicated. A blood test was then conducted, during which he engaged the deputy in an interesting conversation.
You ever been arrested before in your life?
I think once.
Just once?
But not
Well, that's
for
good. I shouldn't say just once. That's good.
I think it was only for like 30 minutes maybe.
Oh, okay.
But that's bad.
You're still very young, so I truly do hope that you can maybe just turn your life around a little bit, make some better choices, and move on with life, you know?
Can I ask how I know it's not easy, but how do you just say no to some things? Just like when someone asks something, how do you say no?
Like something that you don't want to get in trouble for?
Yeah.
Like a peer pressure type of a situation?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's hard, but you gotta just stand up and say, no, I'm better than that. I'm going to say no. Or, I guess whoever you're interacting with that's putting you into that position, maybe you should not even be associating with them or be friends if they're going to either A, put you in a situation like that, or B, judge you because of you saying no to something. Does that make sense?
It actually makes a lot of sense.
I keep my friend circle small, but my friends and acquaintances would never put me in a bad situation or ask me to do something illegal or wrong or anything. And if they did, I wouldn't be friends with them. And when I was younger, yeah, friends were maybe a little more important than they are now. But I have kids and a family and a couple close friends. That's all I need in life, you know? Okay, I do have to put you back in handcuffs to transport you. Been really cooperative with me, so...
In the end, the 17-year-old was charged with felony, vehicle fleeing eluding an officer, misdemeanor, operating without a valid license, possession of THC, possession of drug paraphernalia, bail jumping. He received nearly $3,000 of traffic citations, including one for operating with a restricted controlled substance. First offense. He was eventually released on a $600 cash bond. In November 2024, he was found guilty of vehicle fleeing eluding an officer. Remaining charges were dismissed, but read in. Ultimately, his sentence was withheld, and he was given 2 years of probation. However, that didn't last long. He ended up violating his probation conditions a few months later after fleeing from an officer again. Because of that, he was ordered to serve 12 months in jail.
Good for him. Yeah, serve 12 months. Go sit in jail. This is the problem. You haven't sat yet. You've been just in and out, skating around. 12 months of not being home, being able to lay in your own bed. You got back problems. You're going to sleep on a thin, hard mattress. That'll get you together. Hopefully it'll get you together. 12 months. Good. I think that's suitable. Anyways. Man, I get officers 5 out of 5. They did their job. You know what I mean? So that's that. Good driving skills, especially at night. Being able to keep up with them at a high rate of speed like that at night on back roads. That's difficult driving because back roads, it's dirt. You got animals. It's rocks. It's all types of stuff that can just fly up. Man, if any little animal just comes out or whatever, you know, it's a wrap. So especially at night because there's no lights on the dark roads, on the back roads, I mean. So anyway, yeah, so 5 out of 5 for me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.